My name is Resa Travis, and I am honored to tell you that I'm running for the Cabarrus County Clerk of Court.
Thank you. And why are you running?
I feel like the clerk's office needs someone who is present, capable, and accountable. Someone who treats every citizen with dignity and respect. And I feel that the employees there deserve better leadership, better service, and better accountability. I've had experience, I've 30 plus hands-on experience with the clerk's office. So I feel like I know what works and what doesn't. I feel like I know what is needed in the clerk's office. Um,
And why are you the best person for the job?
well, as I mentioned, I have 30 plus years of hands-on experience. I think that shows dedication. I feel that shows commitment. Um, I started with the clerk's office when I was 24 years old. So don't try not to do how old I am, try not to do the math. But it's always been my passion. And with that passion, I have built an amazing career within the clerk's office. Um, I have earned the trust with the key court officials. I've worked with some amazing judges, DAs, attorneys, some of the best clerks in the state of North Carolina. Um, I have a clear understanding of how the clerk's office works, and I'm committed to serve with consistency, fairness, integrity. I have strong leadership, transparency. Um, I was an ice skater when I was younger, and I was very dedicated. 5 o'clock every morning, my parents would take me to the rink, and I would practice. And with that, I learned that with every jump or spin, the first try, you practice, you fall, and you adjust. And I feel like right now with the clerk's office, I feel like we need to practice, we need to fall, and we need to adjust some things. And with that, it becomes consistent, it becomes reliable. Um, a small mistake within the clerk's office can make a real consequence, can make a big consequence in somebody's life. Um, and citizens deserve to know that things are being done right in the right way. They deserve to have complete trust in us as the clerk's office. And I'm willing to practice, I'm willing to train to the fullest and to give and receive accountability because it takes both. It's not just me as the clerk, it's me as a leader and it's the employees. So I feel like for it to both work, we have to be accountable to each other. And I'm willing to be accountable and to hear, you know, hard things like, hold me accountable to my position. I feel like that is a high position that definitely deserves accountability.
Can you explain to voters what the Clerk of Superior Court does?
Oh my goodness. Yes, we are the heartbeat of the courthouse.
Mhm.
Um, every case begins and it ends with us. We are the official record keeper. Um, we support court proceedings. We um, we make sure the justice system works as courtroom clerks being in the courtroom with judges. We are basically we're the judge's right hand. We keep the records. The judges trust the clerks, and we everything ends and begins with us. We are the first face that you see. So it's very important that the citizens trust us with their process, with their cases.
And how does the clerk impact voters, and how would you create a better experience for them?
I feel like it impacts more than people realize. Um, we touch the lives of so many citizens. Um, Basically, every person that walks into the courthouse is touched by the clerk's office. Um, we're the first port of contact of dealing with issues in the courthouse. Um, I think it's very important that they feel respected and heard and treated with dignity, and that they trust the clerk's office.
Thank you. You have a couple of extra minutes. Do you want to add anything?
Um, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. As I said, my name's Resa. I am married to a wonderful fella. He is a CMPD officer, so I'm a police wife. We have a beautiful daughter, Tanner, who is an interior designer. I go to church at Redemption Church of Concord, where I lead the ladies' ministry. I am the vice president of my HOA. Um, and I am very passionate about the clerk's office. As I said before, it's been my whole life. I can remember driving downtown Charlotte in the car when I was little, and I would tell my mom and dad, I'm going to work at that courthouse one day. And it's always been a passion of mine. It was a mission, and I made that mission my life. And I take I take pride in it, and I want it to be the best in the state of North Carolina, and it can be the best in the state of North Carolina. It just needs a little bit of tweaking. It just needs a little bit repair. We have some amazing women that work in the clerk's office, and they work very hard. We just need change, and I would love to be the change.